Hello, my friend. Today I'm going to tell you about another varnish that I really enjoy. Last week I told you about the DuraClear Galaxy Varnish, so this week I thought you might like to see the DuraClear Iridescent Varnish. The exciting thing is that it comes in 3 colors. I've got the violet and the turquoise to show you today, but I plan on doing a future video with the blue as soon as I can get my hands on it. I've used this stuff on a few projects already, and the effect is simply magical. I've chosen 2 black frames because the effect is supposed to work best on a darker surface. I think it looks great on any surface, but for dramatic effect I thought I'd go with the black. So we're going to start off with the violet iridescent varnish. Give it a little shake. So it comes out like a milky color, but if you look at it in the light's reflection, I don't know if the camera can accurately show, it's got a little bit of a color to it, and it looks like it's very thin. Give me one moment, I'm gonna take the backs out of here. Alright, that took me a lot longer than I'm proud of. So that's why I stopped filming and we're back now. So let's get started. I'm very excited. So I just used a little bit. You really don't need a lot. You want to go with nice brush strokes. Wow, look at that. Oh, so cool. Brush might be a little too big. Wow, so pretty. I'm going to speed up the process. So that's one coat. So dazzling. I'm gonna have to finish that edge, but just look at that difference. Amazing. I'm gonna do one more coat, I think, before I start with the green. Turquoise, I should say. Okay, so that's the purple. So pretty. Got the back. Now let's move on to the green, turquoise. Same milky color with a greenish, turquoise sheen. Got my brushes in the water from the last varnish. It's a little darker compared to the purple, brightness wise, but it's so pretty. So that's one coat on the front. So pretty. So green, so turquoise. I'm gonna speed up the process for the back. Oh, it's still wet. Okay, that's much better. So, here is the dry turquoise with one coat. So pretty. I love this stuff so much. You know, these frames are so pretty. I think I'm gonna use them in my next free giveaway on my MagicallyMJ Facebook page. If you'd like to visit the page, I will leave a link in the description below. But I'm about to, or I'm not far from hitting 2,000 likes and followers, so this would be a nice giveaway gift. I'll probably do some embellishments on them as well. But I think I want to put on another coat of the turquoise before I finish up this video. All right, so got 2 coats of the iridescent medium on these frames, and I think they look beautiful. I cannot wait to get my hands on the blue and add a blue frame to my collection. But yeah, I think if I were to give them as a giveaway, I would put some embellishment, maybe some flowers or some charm, something to jazz it up a bit. But I like this stuff a lot, and I hope that you like it too. It's great, and you know, I used it on these frames, so the only added benefit really is the color. But if you do this to your artwork, you can give it a beautiful shine. On lighter stuff, it's not as prominent, so it's not gonna like color change your item unless, you know, it's hitting in the right light. It's wonderful, and I hope that you enjoyed this video enough to go out and get some and try some for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, you can let me know by hitting that like button, and feel free to subscribe to the channel for more art-tastic reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching, and have a magical day.